Well, we are going back to the airport.
Heading out.
This is the sad part. We had a fun week. Well, wish it was a week.
Yeah.
We had a fun weekend. We worked hard, we played hard, and we had a lot of fun.
Jimmy was my host. He was a gracious host.
Thank you.
Great chauffeur.
Thank you. I only got lost a couple times. But we're getting him back to the airport. We're gonna get him home to his family. You've got some work ahead of you.
Time to do some seeding.
I think you've learned a lot about what you want now from being here. He's gonna plant some of that Kentucky bluegrass.
Good old KBG.
Wanted to show you guys all the things that we did, some highlights that led up to this point, and show you all a little bit of all the fun that we had. Here you go.
Got room for one more?
I think so. Get in. So lots of exciting things happening over this weekend. Justin the Lawn Whisperer is in town, and I've just picked him up from the airport, and our first stop is Brett's house. Hey, don't spill that gas!
You should be doing that over the lawn. Is that all you got?
You want a race?
All you got?
Ready?
I'm firing it!
Welcome back to the Greener Lawn.
The
Today,
greener lawn.
oh yeah, shaggy as. Right, Ben?
All right,
So he's gonna show me these turf mend results here. He just put turf mend down how many days ago?
So turf mend now is 9 days old.
9-day-old turf mend, and this was the GCI blend, right?
It is, it's the Blue Heat.
Blue Heat from GCI turf mend. Show me the good stuff.
Okay, so we got to get down and in here because the shag has filled a couple of the things in. So even in the shag, you can see we have some germination down in here.
Grass.
Yeah, baby, right there. It's so cute. Over here is going to be extremely well. You can see how well that's already germinating and popping up. Coming up and getting bigger.
That's what she said.
Got some rhizomes in here, but definitely.
Definitely some baby grass. Pretty cool. I think it's time to have a mow party.
Let's do
We've
it.
got some other featured guests here. This is Ryan from Highlander Lawn. Nathan, Pacific Northwest Lawns. I don't know who this guy is. Lawn Whisperer.
Hey.
Yeah, we're gonna play around in Jeremy's lawn today and have some fun. You know, it's amazing how much better a lawn looks when it's cut.
Heck yeah, you guys thought that I was gonna be rocking a shaggy ugly, but it's not shaggy nor ugly.
Not anymore. So this lawnmower is getting well branded, as you can see. And I don't want to cover all of that up. I think this is a good spot right here.
Wipe it off first so it sticks well.
There we go. That's better. Now we're flying a little freedom too, huh?
Dang. Oh boy. Tell my wife and kids I love them. It's been a good run. It's been a great run. All right, I'm going to try to angle slightly and go that way a little bit. Yeah, that'll do it. There we go.
That'll do it.
Hold my beer.
Everything you got.
I'm not doing it after this.
Oh man, that was the best one.
That was close.
Worthy effort.
It's totally worth the effort. Totally All right,
He's out.
Jimmy's peeps. We'll see ya.
See you,
Bye,
buddy.
Jimbo. Later.
See ya. Have a good flight.
You too. Well, you have a safe drive. You know what I mean.
I gotcha.
See ya.
See ya. Bye.
Bye.
See ya. And there he went. Super fun weekend. Had a blast. And hope to do it again in the future. Thanks for coming, Justin. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.